Welcome to the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2004 Case IH RBX562 with 5,000 bales of use. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and features a hydraulic pickup with dual gauge wheels, along with electric double wrap and a bale kicker. Thank you for viewing this Case IH RBX562. Interested in this baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-866-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.